Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at our quiz problem here. So we're asked to find the product, okay, using special polynomial multiplication rules. So if you haven't tried this problem, maybe you want to go ahead and try it now. Okay, let's take a look at the solution here. So with any polynomial, okay, so we have two binomials being multiplied by one another. You can use the FOIL method if you're familiar with that. You can use the distributive property method. There's any number of ways you can do this problem and do it correctly. Okay, but one of the advantages of knowing these special multiplication rules is that they are also special factoring rules, and that's really important. So you want to be on the lookout for patterns when we're talking about multiplying and factoring polynomials. So in this case, you can kind of see that we have 3x plus 5 times 3x plus 5. It's clearly one thing being multiplied by itself. Okay, so if it was like, for example, 2 times 2, I could write that as 2 squared. In this case, if it's 3x plus 5 times 3x plus 5, I can write this as 3x plus 5 squared. Okay, and we have a nice rule for that. We have the situation where it's a plus b squared, okay, and that's what we have here. This is our a and this is our b, and it's being squared. When we have that situation, what we can do is just use this little formula to find out what the product is. Okay, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so now all we have to do is identify what our a and b's are and plug them into this formula. So 3x plus 5 times 3x plus 5, the 3x is the a and the 5 is the b. All right, so let's plug that into our formula here. So we get 3x squared, okay, that's our a squared part, then 2 times a, which is 3x, times b, which is 5. Okay, so we have this, that's our center part of our formula, and then b squared is going to be 5 squared. And when we work that out, we do all the math here, we see that we get 9x squared plus 30x plus 25. So that is our answer. And like I said, you could have used the FOIL method or another way of doing that and be like, oh, I don't really need this. No, that's not true. Okay, you want to be able to recognize these patterns because they're going to turn into factoring rules later on, if you will. Okay, so hopefully you were successful with this problem. If you want to take more math pop quizzes with me, please jump on over to homeschoolmathquiz.com. Love to see you there. Have a great day.